This is a 2007 Prius, a Gen 2. And for some reason don't appear to be any videos on the internet about the engine coolant temperature sensor. It is on the left side of the engine. This is where the main radiator hose comes in. And can we point it out? That behind it, from this point of view, it's gray, is the sensor. Not the white guy above. Not that one. That one. Main radiator hose. Behind it. How do you get back there? I have no clue. I believe you need to take off this whole thing, starting on this side. And then you can reach back around behind here. This is the inverter coolant reservoir. Totally separate coolant system from the engine coolant. They don't communicate. They're not fluidly connected. It's back in there. I could label it for you, probably, if we had good digital tools for that, but we don't. Here's what the Haynes manual says on the subject. Here's a photo of the left side of the engine. So hard to see, but there's the main radiator hose, the white electrical connection above it, and then there's this gray sensor behind it. And that on here is like this, looking from the side of the engine. You see this plastic part there? It's there. How do you get there without taking this out? I don't know. Maybe you have to take this out. They say you have to take it out in this explanation, but they don't say why, and they don't spend hardly any time talking about it. And this is on page 623. And just so it's clear, there is actually at least one more temperature sensor down here in front of the front driver wheel, under this plastic, under this area here. I can't get to it with my phone, I don't think. It's down right in there on the bottom of the hot coolant reservoir. I can't remember the name of it. There's actually some good videos on that one, and that one's real easy to change, but there are apparently no videos on this one. Probably because it never fails.